What's up, y'all? On today's edition of Jeeps with John, we're gonna go through our latest build. This is a 21 JL Rubicon. MSRP is about 60 grand. It's very high option. So on the front, you're gonna get the LED lighting group. You'll notice the steel bumper group. And we spent about $6,500 in ads on this one, throwing on an AEV 2.5-inch lift. Really changed the stance, and drivability actually improves. And then the big thing here is the black rhino wheel with a 37-inch BFG KO2. Anytime you throw black accents onto this flat gray, it's unreal how sharp this thing is. I love it. The only extra thing we had to do on the rear here to appropriately carry that tire is the hinge gate reinforcement. This one also has the power hardtop, y'all. If you guys haven't checked that out, very cool option. Really makes it just easier to use in general. Any other questions, please feel free to give us a call anytime. 502-459-9900.